Rajvidya Rajaguhyam
Rajvidya Rajaguhyam
Pavitram Idamuttamam
Pavitram Idamuttamam
Pratyakshaagavam Dharmyam
Pratyakshaagavam Dharmyam
Sukham Kartum Avyayam
Sukham Kartum Avyayam.
This knowledge is the king of education, the most secret of all secrets. It is the purest knowledge. And because it gives direct perception of the self by realization, it is the perfection of relation. It is everlasting and it is joyfully performed. Long purport. Actually, we heard it only for 8 minutes. It looks like we heard for 1 hour. So we can know who is studying. Those who are reading, for them, it's a subject matter. Actually, every day some time should be kept to read Bhagavad Gita. We do not know how time goes. 1 hour watching a serial on TV. But 1 hour if you read, you will see your total life will change. When you read newspaper, what phala you are going to get? Naraka. That's the phala we'll get. That is called Shruti phala. There is something called Shruti phala. If you read Bhagavad Gita, if you go to Padma Purana, for reading every chapter of Bhagavad Gita, there is a Shruti phala. And it gives an evidence. This happened, this person was here and he heard Bhagavad Gita, somebody was chanting, 1 chapter he heard, just the shlokas. And so much Shruti phala, this happened. And when you hear a newspaper, what Shruti phala you will get? Naraka. So we should actually be intelligent. If I can save my time and I can just, books are there at home, it will not be practical every day to come to temple. But wherever you are, at least pick up the book and read for some time. It's extremely important. In fact, now in the age of mobile, another nonsense has started. Instead of sitting and reading Prabhupada's books, reading this Shastra properly, people think by seeing half-second, 2-second video, it's a waste. That will not help you. That will not save you at all. Neither your realizations will develop. Okay? So that should be a practice to every day sit and read. And even reading goes in different levels. Just like sometimes you take darshan of the deity, I explain the thinking, feeling and willing. There are 3 stages. Some people see deities, bahut sundar hai. Then what is the next stage? Some people see, they feel, they pray, they even cry when they see the deity. Some people do that, they feelingly. Next stage, feeling. And next is willing. Some people go to the deities for orders. We have some acharyas who are ordered by the deities. Please accomplish this for me. So like that. This is a confidential thing, but there are some pastimes we read in the Shastra talking about the deities which move, they act. But the order, next part. So similarly for reading, when you read normally, you will not understand what we are talking, this Guhya. The 9th chapter of Bhagavad Gita is said to be confidential chapter. What is confidential? आप भी पढ़ सकता है, कोई भी पढ़ सकता है. First level will be at least you can understand the philosophy, what is being said there. That itself is great. And Prabhupada explaining that. I'll come to that. The next level will be you can understand the heart of Krishna. Krishna is explaining his love for us. It's like, take in this word, a mother writes a letter to the child. One thing, nice letter. He's not understood. Second level is to understand the feeling there. My dear child, how are you? Second level. The third level, orders. Don't do this, do this. The third level or not? Three levels understood or not? In personal life also the 3 levels are there. Even in Prasadam the 3 levels are there. So this Raj Vidya, it is said the king of knowledge. There is no knowledge comparable to this. When Srila Prabhupada once visited MIT, America. You heard about MIT? In India, यहाँ पे है ये Manipal, ये नहीं. Manipal नहीं. MIT, America. Okay? That's a very in technical education. But it is not Rajavidya still. So when they called Srila Prabhupada, they took him actually to show different sections of the little small tour of the campus. And then उसके बाद they asked Srila Prabhupada, how did you like the campus? So Prabhupada said, are you studying the difference? You have any department. English is fine, no? सबके लिए या हिंदी में? English is fine. So he says, you have any department that studies the difference between soul and body. You have any department. studies the difference between dead body and living body. Difference between dead body and living. They were intelligent. They were top scientists of the world. They understood what he's talking. They're sharp. You are talking about study of soul? Prabhupada said, yes. We don't have any department that does study on the soul. Prabhupada said, then this whole university is useless. They started protest. No, Swamiji, this knowledge also has some value. But Prabhupada said, relative value. Compared to the knowledge of soul, it is nothing. Nothing. Therefore, it is called Raja Vidya. It's not Prabhupada speaking here. He acted at every moment on that. Raja, the king of all the knowledge. And today it is an utter misfortune. This knowledge is not taught anywhere. This is not some faith. Is it some faith? Bhagavad Gita says we have 4 stages of life. Janma, Mrityu, Jara, Vyadhi. ये क्या faith है क्या? ऐसा है कि हिंदू जो आदमी होता है उसका जन्म मृत्यु जरा व्याधि होता है, मुस्लिम का नहीं होता, क्रिश्चियन का नहीं होता, ऐसा है क्या? सभी का होता है. कह रहे? This is not religion. This is the facts of life. So the knowledge of the soul is Raja Vidya, is the king of all the knowledge. And then this is not only the beginning. Prabhupada saying here, this is the beginning. Many people, they write when somebody dies. We had unfortunately incident here. Somebody died, yesterday I think. So what do people write in the WhatsApp or in Facebook? RIP. Rest in peace. How Prabhupada is challenging that? What is this nonsense? How can the soul rest? We all have an experience. Whole day, our activities are because of activities of the soul. Body, matter is not active. Matter has no creative capacity. Matter has no desires. Does this mic have some desire? I want to go near. I want to go far. Is the mic aware that I am using it? Is the mic have any free will? No. Today I will not be used for the class. Therefore it is called Jadavastu, dead. So it requires little intelligence. It's only because people are Kali Yuga dull-headed. They don't have this much intelligence. Therefore, when Vedavyasa says, Manda, Kali Yuga people are dull-headed. Prayena alpayusha sabhyaha kalau asmin yuge janaha manda sumanda matayo manda bhagya upadhrita. So actually all these verses, not only that, we should deeply contemplate and reflect the meaning in our life. I am in Kali Yuga today, and Vedavyasa is saying, what are the qualifications of people? And we are, what the whole civilization thinking? We are very advanced. We are very intelligent. Mankind is at the summit of perfection. ऐसा कुछ बोलते हैं ना, कुछ बकवास बोलते ही नहीं बोलते. And what is Vedavyasa saying? Manda, dull-headed. जैसे सोचो घर में बच्चा बोल रहा है, अरे मैं तो बहुत इंटेलिजेंट हूँ. And those who really know knowledge, what do they say? Dull-headed. Correct? Everybody has a great estimation of himself. Why? Humanity individually also. Everybody thinks he is the most intelligent man. Everybody thinks. Does anybody think he is a fool? Nobody thinks he is a fool. Nobody. That only a Vaishnava thinks in proper realization. He thinks, I don't know anything. Actually, that's a fact. The fact is we don't know anything. Then you understand, they say, even take example of this. Suppose there is a bike. One stage is person doesn't know. What is bike? I don't know. The next stage is he knows that he does not know how to drive the bike. And then he learns. You got it? This is a via media stage. If you want to learn the driving of the bike, you have to know that you don't know how to drive. Mostly you will think, what is there? मैं बैठ जाऊंगा, चल जाएगी, चलेगी, and you will fall and you will have a fracture. You getting my point? This is philosophers are also understood in Western philosophy. What you can understand? Cycle. For you, no bike. One level is that मेरे को साइकिल चलाना नहीं आता. ठीक है, but everybody will think आता है, मैं चला सकता हूँ. तो जो साइकिल में बैठेंगे गिर जाएगी. तब क्या पता चलेगा? हाँ, मेरे को क्या पता चला? ये पता चला कि मेरे को साइकिल चलाना नहीं आता. तो similarly, you will become a serious devotee one day जब आपको ये पता चलेगा मेरे को कुछ मालूम नहीं है. वो भी बहुत बड़ी स्टेज है अभी. अभी उधर भी नहीं पहुंचे, आगे तो आगे. You got it? Many times we have a mobile and somebody says, can you share that file to me? and you try, you think you can do it. When you try, actually I don't know. Then he says, then the knowledge will come next. If you think you know everything, then how will you learn? Why is it we are making propaganda? Even TV में भी daily class आ रहे हैं, तब भी लोग क्यों नहीं सुनते गीता को? Because लोग सोचते हैं उनको गीता आता है, तो क्या जरूरत है सुनने की? तो ज्ञान प्राप्ति करने के लिए पहले इस लेवल में आइए कि ये मालूम नहीं मेरे को गीता में क्या है, तब ज्ञान प्राप्त होगा ना. There was one person, very important person in Mangalore. So he is a very charitable, he helps us so many times. What can I give him? So I requested him, see, you come to temple, keep some time, I'll teach you Bhagavad Gita. Swami ji, I know Bhagavad Gita. अब तो क्या बताएंगे उसको? I know he doesn't know. Because all his activities I know. By activities, he doesn't know what is Bhagavad Gita, we can know. If we talk 5 minutes, we know. True? So this is Raj Vidya, but before, just like Prabhupada, he wanted to teach them. So how did he begin? You see, he's an acharya. Do you know what is the difference between living body and dead body? They said, we do not know this knowledge. So you want to learn? Yes, I can teach you. You got it? अभी ये प्रॉब्लम भारतवर्ष में बहुत भयंकर है. सब सोचता है मालूम है. अरे मालूम है तो ठीक है, चलो ये श्लोक एक्सप्लेन करो, क्या राज विद्या. हाँ, तो व्हेन यू ट्राई टू रीड द श्लोका, देन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड ये मेरे को मालूम नहीं है. भगवत गीता बंद है ना, सब लोग सोचते हैं मालूम, सब मालूम, अपना ड्यूटी करो, सबका भला करो, किसी को दर्द नहीं दो. बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा. खोलो तो एंड यू ओपन अ पेज, रीड द श्लोका. हाँ, ये क्या है, एक्सप्लेन करो. You got it? It's a very important point. It's a big revolution we want in the society, that people should understand they don't know. Otherwise, why is Krishna saying it is Raja Vidya? If it is Raja Vidya, then everybody should know. It is, if you are knowing, then what is nothing Raj Vidya about it? It is Raj Vidya, Raj Guhyam. Guhya means secret. सब लोग सोचते हैं मालूम है, नहीं मालूम है. इतना आसान नहीं है. You know the famous joke. भगवद गीता का what is the first word in Bhagavad Gita? धर्म क्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे. And what is the last shloka of Bhagavad Gita? Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna. At least ये दो श्लोक तो याद होना चाहिए सबको. So पहला है, some people made an idea. पहला word धर्म, last word mama. तो धर्मा मीन्स ड्यूटी, माई ड्यूटी. हो गया, समझ आ गया भगवत गीता. डू माई ड्यूटी. देन व्हाई यू राइट राजगुह्यम? इट इज वेरी 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 कॉन्फिडेंशियल, एंड इट इज सो कॉन्फिडेंशियल, मोस्ट ऑफ द स्पिरिचुअल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस and their heads, they themselves do not know what Bhagavad Gita is telling. They are teachers of Gita. We can see it is Goyam. Krishna has not just spoken, it is a fact. बड़े बड़े लोगों को तक नहीं मालूम है जो इसका प्रचार भी कर रहे हैं. Forget about ordinary man, they are simple, living their household life. उनके घर में गीता है. कभी कभी I went to somebody's house just recently. Bhagavad Gita was lying in the puja. ऐसे कभी खोल के पढ़ते हो? नहीं, बहुत अच्छे से सजा के रखा है. तो वो भी गोई हो रहा है, उसके लिए तो सीक्रेट ही रहा, अंदर क्या मालूम नहीं. Take even a person who is even giving lecture on Bhagavad Gita, he also does not know. And that includes us. We also do not know. It is levels and levels of realization. Correct? What do we know? We know it's a beautiful philosophy. One level. Next level, it is Krishna's love. Bhagavad Gita is nothing but a love of Krishna. Krishna is expressing his intense love for the living entity. कितना लोग feel करते हैं भाई जब भगवद गीता पढ़ते हो? Your second level. Third level, Krishna is ordering in Bhagavad Gita. Sarvadharman parityajya mam ekam sharanam. Take my shelter. Krishna is nothing but, Bhagavad Gita nothing but Krishna's adeshas, one after another. किस लेवल में पहुंचे अभी? पहला लेवल तो पहुंचो. At least understand. So Raj Guhyam, it is very, very confidential. Prabhupada explains, this much some people talk about. There was, Prabhupada talks about certain philosophers. We discussed those previously. Some more names are here. Yagnavalka, Vaishnavara. These names we have not discussed before. Okay? I could not get the philosophy of Vaishnavara. We discussed about Gautama and Kannada. Gautama and Kannada talk about atomic theory, Anu. Just like today we say everything is finally atoms. नया नहीं है, बहुत पहले से हजारों साल से ये बात हो रही है. कोई नया चमत्कार नहीं किया आपने, सोचते हैं बहुत इंटेलिजेंट हो गए हैं वो लोग बोले. एंड दैट फिलॉसफी डिस्कस एंड डिफीटेड ऑल्सो लॉन्ग टाइम अगो बाय वेदव्यासा. Totally defeated because it's not true. I am not atom, I am conscious. Atom is not aware. अणु को ये मालूम नहीं है, अणु in the sense of matter, उसको ये मालूम नहीं है कि I am there. जड़ वस्तु is not aware. So how can you say I am matter? It's not a correct philosophy. We discussed about Patanjali. Patanjali only discussed it to the soul again, and it divides meditation on the soul and little knowledge about the Paramatma. Again, it's incomplete. Then next we talk about Kapila. Kapila also about the soul and God. There are two Kapilas. One Kapila is in Bhagavatam, which is the original Kapila. One Kapila is a duplicate, a fraud. He says, I am the Kapila mentioned in the Shastra. He is not. Therefore, Prabhupada wrote a book, Teachings of Lord Kapila, son of Devavati, because he knows there is one Kapila who has been misleading. He came some 1,000 years ago, one Kapila. Good philosopher. Sankhya means to divide the matter into 24 elements. Okay? We will not do now. It can be done easily. Panchendriyas, 5 vastus for the indriyas, 5 senses for action, 5 senses for input. ऐसे कर करके पंच महाधातु, पंच तो हो गया आपका 20 पंचभूता, करेक्ट. अर्थ वाटर फायर एयर. उसके बाद माइंड इंटेलिजेंस फॉल्स को 23. So 24वां, they put the 3 modes of mental nature. No soul God. Sometimes they talk about soul, but they never talk about God. Therefore, he is called atheist Kapila. His philosophy is also rejected because he doesn't agree about existence of God. So all these philosophers are talking so many things. There was one more here. One new person, Yajnavalkya. Yajnavalkya gave the philosophy of neti, 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 neti. What is the neti, neti philosophy? I am not this hand. क्यों? आप हाथ किसी तरह दुर्भाग्य से कट गया तो मैं तो रहूँगा ना. मैं रहूँगा या नहीं रहूँगा? ये रहूँगा. तो मैं हाथ नहीं हूँ, मैं आँख नहीं हूँ. कभी कभी होता है कुछ, आँख चला गया, नाक चला गया, मैं नाक नहीं हूँ, मैं हड्डी नहीं हूँ, मैं ये नहीं हूँ, वो नहीं हूँ. बट ना बट क्या हो उससे पता नहीं चलता. ना करके क्या हो पता नहीं चलता. So it is one kind of philosophy. But when Vedavyasa came in, Vedavyasa is called Mahamuni. When Vedavyasa, all his books are summarized in essence, and that is called Vedanta Sutra. All were defeated. Therefore, Vedavyasa is called Mahamuni Vedavyasa. Okay? Vedavyasa has a position of an incarnation of God. He is not ordinary. When he wrote his Vedanta Sutra, all the 6 got defeated. It's over. Therefore, Vedic culture, we don't follow others. For philosophy discussion, some people quote these people. But as far as the practice we are following in India, and as done by all the acharyas, the other 6 are not followed.
Prabhupada ki Jai. Bhagavad Gita ki Jai.